Hi there, this is Yang. Welcome to Modelworks Direct. In here, we handcraft any custom wooden scale model that you can think of. From airplanes, aircrafts, to cars and motorcycles, and also ships, boats, and even yachts. For this video, we will show to you how we handcrafted the 1:100 ship model of Maersk's MCC Batanes container ship from a piece of wood. Yep, a piece of wood. Want to see how we do it? Just keep on watching and let's begin. The process starts with a piece of wood that was carved into the basic shape of the model by using different kinds of blueprints, drawings, and even photos to serve as a guide in making a scale model down to its small detail. As you can see in this video, the carver used various tools like a chisel, gouges, scraper, and a sandpaper to chip and make the surface smooth. Many handcrafted models are built in this exact same manner. After the final form was finished, the size, curves, and measurements of any models need to be approved by the master model builder, which is the owner of the company. This is what we call quality assurance. Once the QA was done, the next procedure will be the putty stage. Here, the material will be painted or applied with soft grayish liquid or clay that hardens after a few hours. Then sanded and polished to get a smooth feel and prepare it for the base coat of white or other color intended for the design. Simultaneously, the interior of other parts of the ship are already being done by the artist. They will make a miniature size of the ship's cranes, containers, buildings, flying bridge, and different objects or parts of the container ship, replicating almost everything. Notice the materials being used here. Some of them are made from vinyl and resin, while the other parts are made out of composite materials such as unused small metal scraps, small woods from carving, and used plastic cards. In addition, these details like the crane, flying bridge, containers, and other parts are undergoing the same process of putty and base coat. Check how carefully the artist paints the containers using an airbrush to get the final color of these containers and using stencils for the other painting details. These steps are being done with ease by the skilled artist with more than 10 years of experience in this industry. Now that the hull is finished with its paint job, the final detailing process can now be done. In this process, the builders will finalize the container ship by installing the containers, flying bridge, and cranes, painting some decals, and applying adhesive to the small parts to stick on to the ship. Watch closely how tedious this process is, because if some parts are small or big, they need to redo it. However, with the experience that these artists have, it seems a bit easy for them making these parts properly and correct in measurement. Once all of these processes are finished, another quality assurance will be done by the master model builder itself to ensure that everything is in place in its pristine condition. In addition, you can also add logo or any 2 to 3 lined inscription of your choice. And that is the final product of Maersk's MCC Batanes container ship. From woods and composite materials, an astonishing model was done again by the Modelworks Direct skilled artisans.
So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to watch more videos on how we make our custom wooden scale models, you can check out our YouTube channel. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and share the video. Comment what you think. It can be good or it can be bad. We'll take it because this will help in improving our craft. So like I said, subscribe and ring that bell button to get an update on every video that we post. So with that said, this is John from Modelworks Direct. And if you can think it, we can build it. Modelworks Direct. See you on the next one.